friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak. In today's video, we'll try and understand the different keyboard shortcuts for fill. Now fill could be fill down or fill right. Let's first try and understand what will a fill down feature do in Excel. Now here in my cell C7, I have certain value feed in. If I want the same value to be copied down or filled down to the next cell, which is C8, right next to the one where I have my cell selected, in that case, instead of doing a copy paste, I can use the fill down feature. Now the keyboard shortcut for that is Control plus D. Exactly, you see that? As I press Control and D key together, what happened was whatever was written in the cell above it got copied to the cell downwards. What if I have to do it for a range of cells? So let's say I have this particular selection and I want the same thing which is written in C8 to be copied over here or filled down over here. In that case, I'll need to select the cell and the subsequent range where I wanted it to be filled down or copied, and then I'll need to press again Control plus D. As a result, for the selection that I have, the same text will be filled down, or I can say it will be copied in that particular selection. Now let's look at if I want something to be copied on the right hand side or to be filled towards the right hand side, then I will press Control plus R. As a result, whatever is written on the left hand side actually gets copied or filled towards the right hand side. So the two important keyboard shortcuts that we learned today are Control plus D, and the second one is Control plus R. Do try them out, and if you face issues, just feel free to write in the comment box below. Also, please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.